Hello, my name is Jeremy, sales manager at Sun Retreats Sherkston Shores. Thank you for choosing us as your vacation destination. Come on, let me show you around. Being a resort environment, people come here to relax and enjoy themselves and really kick back. We offer many different amenities, including a giant water park with giant water slides, playgrounds, an 18-hole mini golf course, indoor entertainment area, grocery store, sports courts, everything you could ever want. Also, our activities manager, Brittany, is here to make sure you have a fantastic time while on your stay.
Our activities team has a variety of different events to offer for all age groups. We have fireworks for the kids, we have live music for the whole family, and much more other events for our long-term guests, such as wine and cheese nights, paint nights, bingo nights, and much more.
We have a lot of outdoor activities here, especially centered around the water. People are kayaking, canoeing, enjoying sunbathing, or picnicking on the beach. We have many different options to stay at the resort, such as vacation cottage rentals, park model ownership, where you purchase a park model in one of our communities. You can also stay on one of our tent sites. With our RV seasonal sites, you have the option to upgrade with many features, such as fire pit, large outdoor storage, or even a deck. We also have a large paved parking for up to 2 vehicles, as well as your golf carts. In the region, there's so much to do, like wineries, golf courses. We have local communities like Crystal Beach and Port Colborne where you can take in boutique shopping or restaurants. You can even go down to the casino in Niagara Falls and enjoy some of the entertainment down there. Our team is here to make sure you have a safe and unforgettable stay, like our aquatic supervisor, Emily.
If there's anything our team can do to make you have a better stay, please reach out to one of our team members.
We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Retreats Sherkston Shores, where your family can create lasting memories here on the shores of Lake Erie. See you soon!